How to use affirmations to program your dreams. What if I told you that tonight, you and your partner could unlock your deepest desires, explore hidden fantasies, or connect in ways you've never imagined, all while you sleep? Dreams aren't just fleeting images. They're a gateway to your subconscious mind. And with the right affirmations, you can program your dreams to take you wherever you want to go. Hi, dreamers. Welcome back to Dream Awakening, your go-to channel for exploring the mysterious world of dreams, spirituality, and awakening your highest potential. Today, we're diving into how affirmations can help you program your dreams to uncover clarity, creativity, and even hidden passions. But we're not stopping there. This time, we're turning up the heat. If you're in a relationship, we'll show you how to make dream programming a steamy ritual for two, deepening your connection and creating a bond that transcends the waking world. Intrigued? Let's get started. What are dream affirmations? Let's begin by understanding what affirmations are and how they work in the realm of dreams. Affirmations are short, powerful statements that focus your mind and guide your subconscious. Think of them as little commands that direct your brain toward a specific goal. When used before bed, affirmations act like a cheat code for your subconscious, steering it to create the dream experiences you want. For example, if you say, "I will have a dream that helps me solve my problems," your subconscious mind will get to work while you sleep. It's like programming your own mental software to uncover answers, explore creative ideas, or even manifest your desires. Now, imagine taking this practice and sharing it with your partner. Together, you can set intentions for your dreams, whether it's unlocking emotional intimacy, reigniting passion, or exploring your wildest fantasies in a no-limits dreamscape. The possibilities are endless, and it's all within your control. Why use affirmations to program dreams? Dream affirmations are so much more than a fun experiment. They're a game changer. Here's why. Enhanced dream recall. Ever woken up knowing you dreamed something amazing, only to lose it moments later? Affirmations can improve your dream recall, ensuring you wake up with a clear memory of your nighttime adventures. Lucid dreaming affirmations can help you achieve lucid dreams, those magical moments when you realize you're dreaming and can take control. Want to fly? Visit a dream version of Paris, or explore uncharted territories of your imagination. Lucid dreaming makes it possible. Strengthened connection for couples. When done together, affirmations can deepen your relationship by creating a shared experience that goes beyond the physical. Imagine dreaming of a perfect romantic getaway with your partner, or even co-creating a dream world where anything is possible. Exploration of desires. For couples, dream programming can be a playful way to explore fantasies in a safe, creative space. Affirmations like, "Tonight we will dream of pure passion and connection," can lead to experiences that bring you closer than ever, both in your dreams and in real life. How to craft seductive and effective affirmations. Creating the right affirmations is key to making this practice work, especially if you want to add a little heat to the mix. Here's how to do it. Keep it positive and sensory. Your subconscious responds best to affirmations that feel good. Instead of saying, "I won't have boring dreams," say, "My dreams will be vivid, exciting, and unforgettable." Focus on connection. If you're working with your partner, use affirmations that emphasize shared experiences. "Tonight we will dream of laughter, love, and passion." In our dreams, we are fearless, adventurous, and completely connected. Get specific. Don't be afraid to tailor your affirmations to exactly what you want. For example, I will dream of walking on a beach with my partner, feeling the sand beneath my feet and the warmth of their touch. Align with intention. Before creating your affirmation, ask yourself, or each other, what do we want to experience tonight? Whether it's clarity, passion, or pure fun, let your intention guide your words. Enhancing dreams with herbs and roots. Incorporating natural dream-enhancing herbs and roots into your practice can deepen your spiritual connection and enrich your dream experiences. Here are 4 powerful options to try. 1. Mugwort. Mugwort is renowned for stimulating vivid dreams and enhancing dream recall. It has a long history of use in spiritual practices for deepening the dream state and exploring the subconscious. Brew a mugwort tea before bed. Note, it has a strong taste, so add honey if needed. Place a small sachet of dried mugwort under your pillow to let its aroma work as you sleep. Burn it as incense to cleanse your sleeping space and prepare your mind for spiritual dreaming. 2. Blue lotus. Revered in ancient Egyptian traditions, blue lotus promotes relaxation and opens the third eye, making it a powerful aid for spiritual dreaming and lucid dream exploration. Brew the petals into tea for a calming pre-sleep ritual. Soak the petals in wine for a traditional preparation used to enhance meditative and dreamlike states. 3. African dream root. Why it works. This sacred root is traditionally used by the Xhosa people of South Africa to induce vivid, prophetic dreams. It's incredibly effective for enhancing dream clarity and connecting with the spiritual realm. Mix a small amount of powdered root with water to create a frothy drink. Drink it on an empty stomach before bed for best results. Use sparingly. This root is potent, and a little goes a long way. Known as an adaptogen, ashwagandha reduces stress and promotes restful sleep, helping you enter a deep, restorative dream state. It also grounds your energy, which can be helpful for spiritual exploration. Mix ashwagandha powder into warm milk or a calming tea, and drink it about an hour before bed. Take it in capsule form if you prefer an easier option. How to use herbs safely. While herbs and roots can enhance your dream practice, it's important to use them mindfully. Start small. Begin with a small dose to see how your body reacts, especially with potent herbs like mugwort or African dream root. Avoid mixing too many. Stick to 1 or 2 herbs at a time to avoid overstimulation or adverse reactions. Consult a professional. If you're pregnant, nursing, or taking medications, check with a healthcare provider before using these herbs. Set an intention, combine herbal use with affirmations and rituals for the best results. Rituals to enhance herbal use. Create a dream tea blend. Combine herbs like mugwort, blue lotus, and passion flower for a personalized dream-enhancing tea. Sip it slowly before bed while repeating your affirmations. Use a dream pillow. Sew a small pouch filled with mugwort, lavender, or other calming herbs, and tuck it under your pillow. The aroma will gently guide your subconscious into a dreamlike state. Cleansing, burn mugwort or blue lotus as incense before sleep to cleanse your space and set the mood for spiritual dreaming. Share the experience for couples. Prepare a calming tea together, or exchange affirmations while sharing the aroma of your chosen herbs. How to prepare for dream programming. Once you've crafted your affirmations and incorporated herbal aids, set the stage with a pre-dream ritual to relax your mind and body. Create a dreamy atmosphere. Dim the lights, light a candle, and set the mood. Soft music or soothing essential oils can enhance the experience, making it feel more intimate. Practice together. Sit or lie down with your partner. Hold hands or cuddle as you repeat your affirmations aloud or silently. Visualize your dreams. Close your eyes and imagine the dream you want to have. For couples, this could mean visualizing a romantic setting, like walking hand in hand through a dream version of your favorite city. Repeat and relax. Say your affirmations 5 to 10 times, then let go. Trust that your subconscious will take over as you drift into sleep. Dream affirmations and herbs are a doorway to a world of endless possibilities. By combining them with intention, you can unlock clarity, creativity, and passion while you sleep. And if you're sharing this experience with a partner, dream programming becomes a playful and intimate way to deepen your connection. If you enjoyed this guide, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Dream Awakening for more insights into dreams, spirituality, and personal growth. Let us know in the comments if you try these rituals. Your story could inspire others. Sweet dreams and happy awakening.